Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled among gentle hills, there lived a young man named Hero. Hero was restless. His thoughts never stopped. Always caught in the whirlwind of what was and what might be, he carried the weight of worry, the burden of overthinking. Peace felt like a distant dream. Then one day, he heard whispers of a composed master who lived atop a distant mountain, a man known not for power, but for profound stillness. A man said to hold the secret to true inner calm. With hope in his heart, Hero set out on a journey. The path was long, demanding, but he pressed on, and finally, he arrived. There, beneath the open sky, sat the serene master, eyes closed, as if listening to something deeper than sound. Hero approached with reverence and bowed. "Master," he said, "my mind is in constant motion. I long for stillness. Please, teach me how to empty my mind." The master opened his eyes, calm and kind. "You wish to empty your mind?" said. "Very well. Follow me." He led Hero to a courtyard where a stone basin overflowed with water. Beside it sat a small empty bowl. The master filled a ladle and poured water into the bowl. Then he turned to Hero. "Your task is simple," he said. "Transfer all the water from the basin to the small bowl without spilling a single drop." Hero hesitated. It seemed impossible, but determined, he began. Scoop by scoop, he worked. Minutes turned into hours. Still the basin remained full, his arms tired. Salt! His thoughts raced louder than ever. Frustration gripped him. And then the master approached. With a gentle hand on his shoulder, he said, "My dear student, you focus so much on emptying the basin, but you've forgotten the first step. To empty the basin, you must first empty your mind." Hero looked up, puzzled. "How, master? How do I empty my mind?" The master smiled, patient and wise. "Release your fear. Let go of attachment. Do not worry about the end. Be here, in this moment, in this breath." Hero closed his eyes. He inhaled deeply and let go of the need to finish, of the pressure to succeed. He simply focused on one scoop at a time. He noticed the feel of the water, the sound it made, the dance of light on its surface. And then something shifted. His mind softened, his body relaxed. He entered a state of presence so deep, even time seemed to pause. And slowly, almost effortlessly, the basin began to empty, scoop by scoop, with no force, no fight, until the very last drop was placed in the bowl. He looked up, eyes wide with awe. The master nodded gently. "You see, Hero, when the mind is clear, the world flows through you. You don't control the task, you become the task. Everything begins to align." Hero left that mountain changed, not because of what he learned, but because of what he let go of. And from that day on, he carried not the weight of his thoughts, but the stillness of his spirit. If you want to begin practicing this wisdom in your own life, start here. Pause each morning. Before the noise begins, breathe. Just be. Let 1 minute of silence guide your day. Focus on one thing at a time. Whatever you do, do it fully. Wash a dish, drink coffee, walk. Be there, not elsewhere. Release judgment. Don't rush to label your thoughts as good or bad. Just observe in a neutral mode. Then let them drift like clouds. This is your Enlightenment Motivation Stories. Thank you for watching, and stay blessed. If this story spoke to you, please like the video and subscribe, so I can continue creating meaningful stories like this one to guide, inspire, and walk with you on your journey.